Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a header using Elementor Pro. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Then, go to Templates and select Theme Builder. Here, you'll find the option to create a new header template. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to build a custom header that will appear across your entire site or on specific pages you choose. It's a straightforward process to gain full control over your site's top section. Once inside the Elementor editor, you can start designing your header. Utilize the drag and drop functionality to add essential elements such as your site logo, a navigation menu, and even a search form. Elementor Pro provides extensive styling options, letting you adjust colors, typography, and spacing to match your brand. Remember to check the responsive settings to ensure your header looks perfect on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. After designing your header, the next crucial step is to set its display conditions. This feature allows you to determine exactly where your custom header will appear on your website. You can choose to apply it across the entire site or specify individual pages, posts, or categories. You also have the flexibility to exclude the header from certain areas, giving you precise control over its visibility. This ensures your header is always shown exactly where you intend it to be. Once you are satisfied with your header's design and display conditions, it's time to publish it. Click the Publish button, and your custom header will go live on your website according to the conditions you set. You can also save your header as a template, making it easy to reuse on other parts of your site or even export it for use on different websites. Always test your new header on various pages to ensure everything looks and functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.